mixed in there.
Yummy.
These are the cheddar cheese kind, and they're super yummy. Yummy mixture. You can see how they're getting on the side.
Ooh. Oh, wow. So what is this texture? Wow.
This is the exact texture we want.
Wow.
Give it a little shimmy.
All that steam.
All that steam.
Oh, that's great.
We have our yummy mix here. We have our cooked potatoes, vegetable soup.
Ooh.
And this is condensed because we don't want all that extra liquid because we want this to turn out really fluffy.
Yeah, this is a pie. Oh my God, that looks so good. Ooh.
There it goes.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum. You gotta have like cheese with your pies, right? Because otherwise it's just not savory.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yum. So it's just a little, just to make sure that we get that cheesy flavor, right? We don't need to overpower.
Yeah, because we use the cheddar Pringles.
That's right.
Already. Corn muffin mix?
You bet. Because potatoes, cheese, and corn are the best.
How do you come up with these recipes?
You know, I just think about all my favorite things and think about how I can put them together in a yummy combo.
I love that. You are a genius. Oh yeah, just pile it on there.
Pile it on there. Get that nice crumble. Yum.
Yum, yum,
I'm
yum.
gonna fill in these edges a little bit.
Perfect.
There we go.
So you use like about one box, right?
Yeah, just one box. And these were on sale for like 65 cents. So they're like such a good deal.
Oh, it's just oozing the cheese.
We're gonna top it with some Parmesan cheese.
Great.
That added flavor.
Yep. Gotta love cheese.
And some garlic salt.
Yummy.
Just a little dabble, you know?
Yeah, just dabble with it.
Dabble. And then, of course, the healthiest part, basil. So you got to top it with the butter to make sure it gets that golden color when it bakes.
Okay, so that's gonna help the corn mix.
That's right. Yeah, you want the corn mix to bake properly.
And it's kind of healthy because it's, I can't believe it's not butter.
Right. So it is the healthier version. Like you want to watch that butter intake, right? Because too much butter is no good. So
No, we definitely don't want that.
yeah. Let's pop it in the oven.
Okay.
Okay, so it's been set at 350 for 20 minutes.
Ooh, so quick.
Wow, look at that. It's ready. It's so good.
Wow.
It smells yummy. Okay, let's cut into it and see how our little shepherd's pie, potato pie turned out.
Oh, you're just using a
yum.
spoon.
Yeah.
It smells so good.
So good. Our crumble turned out just right. Okay.
Oh yeah, big slice.
Big slice. Look at that cheese. Yum.
Oh, the perfect bite.
It's steaming.